Hi friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. Before we get started, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Stephy Blue Bear. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this pink monochromatic look. I have pink eyeshadow, pink highlight, and also pink lips. This is one of my favorite looks to do because I really love wearing pink. Pink is like one of my favorite colors to wear. I think it's just a really cute and pretty color to wear. So if you love the color pink, this is the makeup tutorial for you. So without further ado, let's just get started. I already did one eye. I did one eye just to practice, just to see if it looks good. So the palettes that I will be using, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, as well as one of the colors from the Too Faced Life is a Festival palette. So I'm going to mix colors from these two palettes to get this eye look. So the first color I'm going to be using is from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to be using the color called Bubblegum, which is a like a hot pink right here. And I am going to be applying that all over my eye. So like all over the crease, just like all over. Like we're going to start off with the crease. And then just like work our way more upper, just so the whole eye could be covered. So now I'm just going to be blending that color out. So the next color that I'm going to be using is also from the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to be using the color called Wet Cherry, which is kind of like a reddish, kind of like berry looking kind of pink color. And I'm going to be putting that on the crease, but I'm not going to go all the way like I did with this pink. I'm just going to like stay within this area just so you could still see the hot pink, but it could transition into like a darker kind of look with this darker kind of magenta-y color. I am also going to blend that color out. I'm gonna add a little bit more of bubblegum just right here, just so you could still kind of see that light hot pink color. Now I'm going in with this color called Raspberry, which is like a darker version of the one that we just used. And I'm going to be using like a small pencil brush and applying that just to the corners of my eyes to deepen it up a little bit more. once again, I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to be taking some concealer, so I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And I'm going to be just applying that right here, this part of my eyelid. And then I'm taking a flat brush, and then I am just blending that out. I'm going to go back in with Raspberry, which is the darkest color, and just putting it right here on the side just to blend out that concealer a little bit. Now I'm going to be using the Too Faced Life is a Festival palette, and I'm going in with the color Mystic Rain, which is like, not really a holographic, but it's like an iridescent pink color, and I'm going to be applying that to the eyelid, the area where I put the concealer. So like right on top of that. So I already have my foundation and concealer and a little bit of bronzer on. So we're going to go back in with the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. And I'm going to be taking the color Good Morning, which is like, it's like a sort of a tan color. And I'm going to be using a flat brush. And I'm going to be applying that to my brow bone so I can highlight it a little bit. So like right... I'm going to be taking the color Bubblegum, which is that hot pink color, and I'm going to be applying that to my lash line right here. So I'm just going to be putting some of that, probably reaching all the way up to the middle right here. And now I'm going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to be going in with that color Raspberry, which is like the darkest color of pink, I guess you could say. And also putting that on top of what I already did, but I'm not going to go all the way. I'm just going to, you know, stop at this corner right here. And then I'm also going to blend that out together. Next, I'm going to be taking the Lime Crime Highlight Palette in Unicorns. And I'm going to be using this pink color right here. And it's called Happy Land. And I'm going to be using that for my inner corner highlight as well as like my regular highlight. Next, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. blush in the color Mellow Mauve, and I'm applying that all over my cheeks as well as a little bit on my nose. Now I'm going to be taking the NYX matte liquid eyeliner to do my eyeliner. So now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara for my eyelashes. So I almost forgot to film this. I already did one part of my lip, but I'm putting the Disney Designer Collection from ColourPop in the color Cinderella. I don't know if you could see that. And I'm putting that on my lips. I already did the bottom lip, and now I'm going to be doing the top lip. And here is the finished look. Wearing pink is actually one of my favorite colors to wear. I think pink color is the color that looks good on everyone. Like, pinkish is a really pretty color. So here it is up close. I think it's a really simple pink look. I have like a mixture of hot pink and dark pinks with like a little bit of like iridescent. I have super glittery inner corner eyes, and I have like a nudie pink lipstick that kind of pulls it all together. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you love pink, this is the video for you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Is pink your favorite color? Are you going to try this look out too? Please let me know. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye.